Hello and welcome back to Love Advice TV. My name is Coach Adrian and I'm here to empower you today to help you regain control of your breakup recovery process. And this video comes after a comment that I read yesterday on our YouTube channel. And someone said that they were feeling lonely after a breakup and they did not know what to do. And a lot of people feel isolated after a breakup. I was actually reading another comment in our private Facebook group, Love Advice TV community, about an amazing young lady who's in Australia, who's also feeling really lonely. And what I wanted to share, what I shared with this lady in Australia, and what I responded to this one comment was that it's normal, it's okay for you to feel lonely after a breakup. Nothing is wrong with you. But just because you feel this way doesn't mean that you should accept your circumstances or that you shouldn't go out of your way to quickly bounce back. And so if you are feeling lonely, it's most probably because you feel like other people around you cannot relate to what you're going through. There's this disconnect. Your friends, your family they did not live this relationship from the inside out. They don't understand the pain, the grief that you're feeling. But it doesn't mean that they don't care. And it doesn't mean that you can't still communicate with the outside world, right? There are different ways for you to grieve and to heal. And isolating yourself is not the best solution. And the first thing that I urge you to do is to reconnect with people from your past that you're falling out of touch with. Turning a breakup into an opportunity is what we have made a career on, right? Helping you turn your breakup into an opportunity to make you the best version of you, to make you happy again. Because there's a crisis, it enables you to evolve, to address the issues that have plagued your relationship, and to ultimately be happy and fulfilled. And that's why so many people who work with us are so happy. They're so thrilled that they've put their trust in us because we enabled them to change their life. And it's bigger than a breakup recovery. It becomes a new identity that you are able to establish after a painful breakup. And so really, we've had so much success helping people quickly bounce back by asking clients to reach out to old friends and family that you've fallen out of touch with. And now in the age of social media, it's so easy to find childhood friends or friends from college or just friends that you haven't talked to in a while, and just to reach out to them and just say, hey, how have you been? Let's reconnect. Let's just jump on a call and tell me about you. And that will enable you to create a new dynamic and a new environment for yourself that is independent from the pain of the breakup. These people have been out of your life. They're not associated with the painful memories of the separation, and it enables you to move forward, okay? Ultimately, you have to force yourself to step outside of your comfort zone, of your daily routine. Obviously, you have to get out of bed. You have to get out of your place, right? And you have to be social. You have to be around other human beings. And I challenge you for a month, 1 month, to talk to a stranger at least once a day. Just a normal, casual conversation about anything that you want to talk about. But it forces you to be in this mindset of looking to engage with others. And by doing that, you won't feel so lonely anymore because you're going to be on the lookout for people who are open to talking with you. And just these two actions alone, reconnecting with people from your past and challenging yourself to talk to a stranger for at least 30 seconds every day for 1 month, I guarantee you that everything will change. Obviously, you won't feel as lonely anymore, which is the point of this video, but you will also regain confidence and well-being, and de facto, as a result, maximize your chances of winning back the heart of the person that you love, if you choose to do so. But even if you're trying to move on, it'll help you heal and move on because you're going to gain perspective and you're going to gain your swagger back. And you'll be a much more mature version of you because you won't be constantly living in the past and in regret and controlled by your fears and your anxieties. You'll be free from all of those things. And as always, my team is here for you. You have an abundance of free videos for support. You have the free support group on Facebook, Love Advice TV community, and you have all sorts of resources on our website, audio seminars, video seminars, private coaching, one-on-one. We're here. We want to be your best friend. We want to be able to guide you, and we understand the pain that you're going through at the moment. I can't tell you how many people reach out to me just because they feel like they can't talk to someone else. And that's their initial reason why they decided to reach out. And then they tell me, oh my God, I can't believe I didn't do this sooner, because it's awesome, because it's so empowering, and because it gives you a clear sense of direction. Either way, the goal is for you not to feel lonely. And I hope that this video will give you the nudge that you need to completely change things around. As always, fight the good fight, my dear friends, and see you soon for yet another video on Love Advice TV.